This quick tutorial will show you exactly how to set up a Wufoo form. Whether you're a seasoned user or just starting out, this guide will make the process straightforward and efficient. Wufoo is a fantastic tool for creating online forms with ease, making it perfect for gathering information, conducting surveys, or even processing orders. Let's get started. First, head over to wufoo.com. This is your starting point for creating those versatile and customizable forms. If you haven't already created an account, take a moment to do so. It's a simple process that will unlock all the features Wufoo offers. Once you're on the site and logged in, look for the option that says Create Form. It's typically displayed prominently on the homepage or within your dashboard. Clicking this option will begin your journey into form creation. Now, you're presented with a couple of choices. Wufoo allows you to start from scratch or use a template. Starting from scratch gives you full control over every aspect of your form, perfect for those who have a clear vision of what they need. On the other hand, using a template can save time and effort, especially if you find one that closely matches your needs. Choose the option that best fits your situation. After making your choice, you'll see a placeholder for your form's title. It will likely say Untitled Form. Click on this text to begin naming your form. Giving your form a specific title is important. It helps you and your users know the purpose of the form at a glance. Next, it's time to add fields to your form. Click on Add a Field, and you'll see a range of options. Wufoo provides standard fields like text boxes, drop-down menus, and checkboxes. But if you're feeling adventurous, you can explore the fancy pants options, which include more elaborate fields like file uploads or Likert scales. Select the fields that best suit the information you need to collect. Each field you add can be customized to fit your specific requirements. Click on any field, and you'll see settings that let you edit its label, description, and validation rules. Make sure to fill in these details thoughtfully, as they guide your users through the form and ensure you gather accurate information. Don't forget about the overall form settings either. Here, you can tweak things like the form's confirmation message, as well as settings for notifications and permissions. Customizing these options can enhance the user experience and streamline your form management process. Once you're satisfied with your form setup, it's crucial to save your work. Click on Save Form to ensure all your changes are stored. This is a good habit to get into, especially if you're making frequent adjustments or working on multiple forms. And there you have it. You've successfully set up a Wufoo form. With these steps, you can create everything from simple contact forms to complex surveys or application forms. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't hesitate to explore Wufoo's features further to refine your form building skills. Thanks for following along, and happy form building.